What's up, y'all? I got another straight to the point video. When I was shopping for my MacBook Pro, I wanted to know how the keyboard sounded, how the trackpad sounded, and I didn't feel like watching 10 to 15-minute reviews to find out certain things that I need to know before I purchase, even though I did watch some of the reviews. So I'm kind of contradicting myself. But this video is on how the trackpad sounds and how the keyboard sounds. Here we go. I really like how the keyboard feels and the trackpad. I had the MacBook Air M2. That keyboard felt amazing, but I really don't know how to explain it. This keyboard and the trackpad just feels more sturdy, it just feels solid. I'm guessing because the MacBook Pro is thicker than the M2 MacBook Air, but I'm really enjoying this keyboard a lot. All right, y'all. That's it. Peace.